Budapest and beyond! Jenő Rejtő was a Hungarian journalist, pulp fiction writer, and playwright. He was born in Budapest on 29 March 1905, and he died in the Soviet Union on the 1st of January 1943. Despite the pulp nature of his writing, he's not only widely read in Hungary, but he's also much appreciated by literary critics. Many Hungarians believe that he lifted the pulp fiction genre to the level of serious art. In the early years of communism, his works were only available on the black market in pre-war editions. But then after the war, from the 1960s on, his novels were republished, and they gained instant popularity in Hungary. Jenő Rejtő's books still have a cult following to this day. The 14-Karat Roadster is a humorous novel originally published in 1940. The story of the 14-Karat Roadster involves a young rapscallion that wins a Nobel Prize in physics in a card game. He falls in love with a beautiful French girl. He exposes a dangerous gang of spies. He enlists in the French Foreign Legion. He helps an exiled ruler from a small African state to regain his throne. And he dreams of driving a car made of pure gold. This crazy string of events produces a multitude of perilous adventures, told with a shocking amount of humor. Visit the 14-Karat Roadster, right in the middle of District 7 in Budapest. Appropriately located on Jenő Rejtő Street in Budapest.